Hi friends, I am Tirak. You're watching TechMate Beginning, and today we're going to see how to use healing tool or how to remove the unwanted objects on your image by using snapseed editor. If you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe right below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to remove the unwanted object in your photo by using snapseed, it is going to show. So I just opened this photo. So you can find the cube is actually a perspective angle I just needed. I just want to remove the glass here and also the also this remote and also some of this glass here, this wire here. So click on the tool section first and you will see an option called healing. Click on this healing option. Now just zoom in and you can see this option here. So just draw it on the glass first. I just need to remove and I just want to erase. You can see it's erased, and also I just going to erase this remote here. So you can see the remote also erased, and also I just need to remove this wire. So just make a line here. So you can see now every object has been removed. So this is how you just erase, or this is how you just use the healing tools on your snapseed on your mobile phone. It's easy to remove some of the objects. You can see the before after. So before, you can see I have 3 objects on the screen. So I just removed by using the healing tool by using the snapseed. It's simple. You can see before after. This is before the image has been. This is after the image. You can see the difference. It's so easy. And this is how you just use the healing tool and remove the unwanted objects on your photo by using the snapseed. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from TechMate. Be unique. Have a wonderful day.